Hey guys, another day and another vlog. So let me read this email. Hey Stef, I finished your interactive web course and I can tell you it is outstanding. Your way of teaching is awesome. Thanks. Yes, I'm shamelessly self-promoting, but hey, you gotta do it. Anyway, he continues. Now I want to be a WordPress freelancer. Good choice, lots of business there. As you always say, WordPress is you. Can you guide me to choose a profitable niche that has good demand and minimum competition? Maybe WooCommerce or blog, or should I just be a normal WordPresser with no niche? Last question, do I need to purchase your freelance course? I might need those templates. All right, so I think that WordPress in of itself is a niche. You make a good point though. Within the WordPress ecosystem, you have a whole bunch of sub-products, if you will, plugins, themes, templates, etc. And being knowledgeable of the WordPress ecosystem is part of being a WordPress professional, and it's going to help you quite a bit in your freelance career when you're working with small businesses. Remember that small businesses make up about 80% of the jobs out there, and 80% of small businesses use WordPress for their website, and WordPress needs to be updated, needs to be secured. They may need to add changes to their themes, etc., etc., etc. In terms of specializations with WordPress, you're probably going to find that depending on where you live, you might see people, they'll be using WordPress, or they might be using Drupal, they may be using WooCommerce, they may be using certain plugins. It's hard to say. You will figure that out when you jump into the freelance game. You ultimately will let the market push you in the right direction. To get going though, you should know your HTML, your CSS, you should know a bit of JavaScript. If you want to become a WordPress professional freelancer, PHP is actually more important than JavaScript in a big way, because WordPress is created with PHP. Then you want to get into the ecosystem of WordPress. So first you know how to install, you know what the built-in templates are. They call them themes in WordPress. You want to look at some of the more high-end professional themes. What are the options are out there? What happens if you want to implement a shopping cart? Just general knowledge about WordPress. And then as you get more and more clients, as you work with clients, you're going to learn more about WordPress as you go along. WordPress in of itself is a giant niche that you can profit off of and do really well as a freelancer. So the final question he asks, do I need to get the freelancer course? You don't need to get the course, but if you do get the course, you're going to get the templates, you're going to learn about setting up your freelancing business properly, how to manage and deal with clients, how to secure more contracts, how to make sure you get paid, etc., etc., etc. Like all of my courses, my freelance course is based on my own personal experience as a freelancer, and I've mentored many business people and freelancers, coders, etc. over the years. So you'll see that it is unique stuff, and you see that it's uniquely capable stuff. I do provide 5 templates with the freelance course that speeds up the whole process. You get the time tracker template, which teaches you how to budget. You get the initial proposal template, you get the invoice template, and other things as well. The freelancer course is a little jewel of a course if you want to get into freelancing. It really is quite cool. In fact, I have schools now that are interested in implementing the freelancer course inside of their curriculum for their web professional course structure and curriculum that they have. Anyhow, yes, of course, I'm biased, but the freelance course will help everybody in a big way if you want to get there quickly. So the final point I want to make is that about a month or two ago, I offered a deal where a web hosting company would pay for your web design and development training or your freelance and entrepreneur training. All you have to do is click on the link below. It will take you to killersites.com. On this page, you click through, take you to a well-known and respected hosting company, and all you have to do is buy one of their basic hosting packages. It's 1 year of hosting. You're going to need to get a website anyway, whether you become a web developer, a web designer, whether you're training, you got to learn about this. if you want to put up a site for your WordPress hosting business or your WordPress customization and professional business, you need to get a website up at some point. So this means you're going to have to get hosting. So this hosting company will pay for your training. So here's the offer. You get the hosting from the company. You personally send me an email, stefan@studioweb.com. You send me an email with your receipt of payment, and you tell me whether you want my full stack IWD course, Interactive Web Developer course, or as a second option, you can get the freelance course and my entrepreneur course, which is very popular. So that's it. You're going to get hosting anyway. You have to learn with it, etc. You might as well have the hosting company pay for your training for free. Or you can go to a boot camp and pay them $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. I decided to do this offer again because a bunch of people took advantage of it, and then people have been emailing me, hey, you got that offer? I'd like to take you up on that offer, blah, 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 blah. The offer is there, link below, click through, get free web design training or web programming training, or get free freelance and entrepreneur training for free. You got to get a website anyway. You got to learn how to use hosting. Anyway, you know the story. That's it for today. Bye-bye.